People use magnets every day to hold notes to the refrigerator, to hold cabinet doors closed, and to make things work in ways that they may not realize. Human knowledge of magnetism began with magnetic stones. Ancient people observed that certain stones were attracted to each other and that iron was attracted to the stones. They discovered that if one of those stones is suspended so that it can turn freely, it always turns to a certain position. By noting the position of the stone could be used to determine which direction is north without observing the sun or stars. In English, such a stone came to be called a lodestone. In ancient Greece, a particularly good type of lodestone was called magnetite because it was found in an area of Greece called Magnesia. The word magnet came from magnetite. We now know that magnetite is an iron ore that has become naturally magnetized. Ancient people made compasses in several ways, including magnetizing iron needles. You can make a compass at home using materials that you may already have. For the compass needle, you can use a twist tie like the ones used to close a bread bag. You will also need a piece of cardboard and a straight sewing pin. You will need a magnet. For best results, use the strongest magnet that you can find. You can use a magnet that is fastened in place like a cabinet latch magnet. You will also need a ruler, a ballpoint pen, something to cut the cardboard, and a drawing compass or something else to draw a circle. A small pair of pliers would be useful but not essential. Straighten the twist tie and make it as flat as possible. The twist tie has a soft iron wire inside. Mark the center and use the pen to make an indentation in the center next to the wire. Mark 1/8 inch each side of the center. Make 2 marks 1/4 inch from each of the 1/8 inch marks. Bend the twist tie at the 2 1/4 inch marks near the center to make a U shape as shown. The center mark needs to be inside the bottom of the U. Then bend the twist tie at the outer 1/4 inch marks to make the shape shown. Cut a 4-inch square piece of cardboard. Mark the center of the card. Draw a circle in the center of the card as shown. Mark the directions on the card. Poke a straight pin through the center of the card as shown. Determine which direction is north using a compass, a map, or your knowledge of your location. Position your compass card to correspond with known directions. Magnetize the twist tie by stroking it with one end of a magnet from the center toward one end several times as shown. Balance your compass needle on the point of the pin. The point of the pin should be on the indentation in the center of the compass needle. One end of the compass needle should point north. Mark the north end of the compass needle. Your homemade compass is now complete. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please visit wiscimuseum.org. Thank you.